Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be making a menu GUI. When pressing M, the GUI will be visible, and if you press it again, it will be not visible. And also, if you're chatting and you press M, it will not become visible, which is very convenient for many people. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment down, or join my Discord server and suggest what another script I should make. But today I'll be making the menu GUI, and the model will be in the description for those who just want to grab and go. But for those who want to learn something, I'll be making the script right now, and we'll be explaining what every single script or line of code means. So let's start with making a screen GUI. You can rename this to whatever you want, but I'm gonna call it menu GUI. Now make a frame. You can move it wherever you want, but I'm just going to move it here. Okay. Now add a local script into it, and this is basically all you need for the setup. So I'm just going to start with scripting it. Get service. I'll explain everything after I finish scripting this, but I will explain some things on the way. Okay. Wait. Input. Event. That's about it. Now. Visit import tab. And keyboard then. You can skip through this if you want, but for those who wanna, I don't know, hear me script, something like that, just keep going. Make sure to subscribe, like I said from the beginning, but it really helps, motivates me to make more videos like this. And just recently I got a PC, so pretty happy right now. And if you'd like to talk to me in person, you can join my Discord server. My DMs are up, and we might even VC. Okay, that's part done. I'll be making some gaming videos in the future, like on Valorant and other games, if you guys want to see it. But yeah, unless you want to see me script more, then that's fine. We're almost done the coding. Then click. And I think we're just about done here. So now I will explain everything for those who want to know more about scripting. So this first line basically means I've just gotten the Roblox user input service, which if you want to search that up, or I can give you a brief explanation of it, is a system where it detects, or it's just a heap of buttons, you know? Like if I press M, that's a user input. But yeah, so I've gotten that. This next line, local clipped equals false, is an on and off switch, so we can detect when the script's been used, such as pressing M. So next script is just getting all the. So first, if you user input service dot input began means if any single button is clicked, then it will function, you'll get these functions, import and game process event. I'll explain these in just a sec. So if input.userType equals enum.userType.keyboard, which means if the user's input is a keyboard when it's clicked, then if the input dot key code or key bind is M, which I'm gonna put, you can change it to whatever you want, then if the game doesn't have anything open like chatting or like the Roblox menu itself, then if clicked equals false, so on the second line it will make it false, but right now it starts as false, then script.parent.visible equals true. So it goes through a lot of process just to check if all the requirements are met, and just right after that, clicked will be true for the next line of code. So if, like said, if import the user type's keyboard, and if it's M on the keyboard, and if not game process event, then if clicked equals true from our previous line at the end, clicked equals true, then script.parent.visible equals false, then clicked equals false. So basically, if M is clicked once, then clicked will become true. But if it's clicked again, it will detect if clicked equals true, and if it is, then script.parent.visible will be false, and clicked will be false. Therefore, creating like a loop for an on and off GUI basically is what you want. So now let's test it. Okay. There we go. It's working. Then press M again. And there. Now, let's chat. Maybe you're gonna type something like, where is the mole? But I've clicked M, but nothing's happened. But when I click out of the chat and press M, it becomes visible. So yeah. So here's your menu GUI, and if you want it to tween, I could make that in the future if this gets a lot of views, but for now I'll be making other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and model will be in the description, Discord link will be in the description, and the showcase will be in the description. Thanks for watching. If you watched the whole video, I really appreciate that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.